Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit. Welcome back to our Fit in 5 series. We are working our upper body, and all we need today is a band. So let's get started. We are going to start with our upper back and our shoulders. Just pulling this band back and squeezing our shoulder blades together in the back there. I like to just hop right into the movement, and then it can be a monkey see, monkey do, as I'm talking through the movement, but also just catching you up. So I started to do this daily series after my mom took my course. She got hooked on just keeping it simple, doing just little things throughout the day, such as grabbing a band and doing exercises like this. So I told her the fact that she got hooked and started doing it and started feeling better, that I would do a workout a day. So here we are with the Fit in 5 series, doing daily workouts for all fitness levels. And you can make this as hard or as easy as you like. So this is just a light band. If you want to tune up the intensity, you would grab a heavier band. You can also just hold everything together for a bit longer. But doing exercises like this will strengthen all the finer muscles that support our joints. This specifically, we're working the muscles that support our shoulders and our spine by doing the upper body and working our grip as we're grabbing the band. Okay, great. Woo, shake it out a little bit and we are on to our triceps. So you're gonna put some tension in that band, wrap it around your body a bit, and you're just going to straighten your elbows, tiny break. Straight and tiny break. This is going to exhaust your triceps rather quickly, so if you want to, let's just work one side to give the other side a little bit of a break, and then we'll switch to the other side. So same thing, the hard part is keeping your arm straight, and it's a tiny break, and then you're straight again. So I actually got to see my parents this past weekend. I was down in Charleston for a little weekend getaway, which can really take a toll on you, and it's all girls, to which it was a bachelorette party for my cousin. It was fun. I was calling my mom, even, so today is Thursday, I was calling her like over the last couple of days, just being like, oh my gosh, this has totally wiped me out. Just like, I know, Evelyn, because you get stuck in a rut of, let's shake it out, let's do the other side. You get stuck in the rut of like, oh my gosh, is this the new me? Like, am I XYZ? Did I lose my mojo? Da 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 da. And then a couple nights rest, couple days of good eating, just getting back into the rhythm, and you're like back on top. So that goes across the board. Everyone feels that way. It's all about how you handle it moving forward. And thankfully I have my mom to kind of bounce my stuckness off of. She just tells me that, Evelyn, you're fine. You're going to be fine. Just keep going. Got it. I can do that. All right, couple more on this side. 2, 1. And we're going to finish with a little bit more shoulder mobility. Drop the band and just hold it behind you and hold there for a second. You can come up and down. Up and down. Keeping those arms straight. If you want a little bit more, take it up like this. And you're gonna pull this arm up and down. Keep that one as straight as possible. Puffing your chest out, tucking those hips. We're only gonna do 5 on this side. 5 more, so probably 10 total. You're also gonna feel it working the tricep of your pulling arm. I assume that everyone knows what a tricep is. No, not everyone does. It's the muscle behind your bicep. Good, let's switch to the other side. If you are just doing these, totally fine. You can add a little bit more if you want to come side to side. Pulling this arm up as high as you can. I played volleyball in college, so I have notoriously tight shoulders until I started doing exercises like this. And they've all loosened up. They feel stronger than ever. I'm like, so wait, what do you mean getting older? Not this cat. All right, 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, that wraps up today's Fit in 5 upper body workout, and I will see you in tomorrow's workout.